Hey guys, let's do together the homework for creating the pull request with a task engine that will open the target site on Chrome. Press on the button registry, and then find and press and find the registry button. Then click that you're right, blah blah. Like check that you're on the right page by checking the title, and then making sure that there is this page is present, like there is another screenshot. So let's do that together. So first manually, let's open the target, then you click registry, then you click find a registry, then you want to make sure that there is a title, search results, gift registry target, and then there is a find a registry. Okay, so let's work. Let's open the IntelliJ IDEA, and let me do something quick. So I'm gonna open the existing project where we already have our task cases from the previous lessons. I'm gonna create a package with name lesson 3_4. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a class target 3_4. Okay, so I'm gonna start creating the task annotation, then public void target task. Okay, and then my body gonna have some logic. Okay, I'm also gonna extend that class from base test, so that I have the driver initialized with a test manager test WebDriver manager, and I also have the config with Chrome already, and my POM XML has the three libraries: WebDriver manager, TestNG, and Selenium for Java. Perfect. So I'm all set. I already can start doing the steps, writing the code. But first I want to copy all the steps that I need. I will add the comment and then do the command V, Control V, like pasting all the steps. Okay, so for the first step, obviously it's gonna be driver get and then this URL. Okay, that's gonna open the web page and navigate on the right, like target.com basically. Then for the second step, I want to do driver find element, and then I want to make sure what is gonna be my allocator. In order to do that, let's open that together. Let's open the main page, and I'll locate this registry. I will right click and do an inspect. In my inspect, I will just take a look on what is the best strategy for the locating this element. So I first gonna take a look on ID, if it has ID, and yes, it does. It has this ID. I will copy this ID, and then I will select ID, and then add that ID here, and then do the click. I will also go ahead and do that import for this by. Yeah, I'll click option return or alt return in order to import that. So this line appears, everything works now. So then find and press find the registry button. So once you click here, you want to find and press this button. Let's take a look together. Now this is the button, has no ID, has a huge long class. I don't trust such a big value for the class, so most likely it could be generated dynamically, could be generated somehow else. I would rather use this div block and then button inside of that div. Or as the option, I can do that find the button by text, find the registry, right? So in that case, I will use Cropass, this tool, Cropass, and then I'll just copy this link here, the locator here, and then I will do the driver find element by XPath, and then paste it here, and then do the click. Okay, this is done, And then seems like it's one verification, but in being like it's actually two verifications that needs to be done here. The first one and the second one. So the first one is gonna be something like let's do the string with expected title. It's gonna be search result, gift, registry, blah blah. So let's copy this one, and I think that this one has missing space here, because or maybe here. Let's take a look together. So once you click here, you want to go ahead and find a title. So this is your title. As you can see, there is a space here and a space here, so I'll copy it from here so my test passes. It depends on requirements. If the title must be like this, then the test case is failed. It means it's found a bug. In our situation, I can tell you that you don't have to write a test case that will fail. You can adjust the string so it has spaces here. And for the actual result, string actual title, you want to do the driver get title. That's pretty much it. And then assert, and then equals, assert equals, then actual, comma, expected title. Okay, perfect. So this is done. Then I'll do similar to the Finder registry header. So this is a header. Let's double check. Yes, it's a header level 1, H1. So I probably can just get the by tag. So let's do this first. String expected header equals Finder registry. Perfect. And then in order to get the actual header, actual result of header, you know, I don't put the result, but you know, actual, expected, and then we compare. So the actual header gonna be like a driver, find element by tag name h1. Okay, and then I do the get text. Okay, so now I have both of them, and I'm gonna copy paste this line. Okay, and instead of title, I'm gonna do that actual header, expected header. Perfect. So I have two asserts, the one that verifies title, the second one that verifies header. So let me try running the test case first resolve the debug, and then I will do the debug. Also keep in mind that I have this after test that quits the driver. I have, you know, this is the base task that we inherited. That's why I don't need to write anything, you know, but the logic. So this test passed perfect. So let me remove this breakpoints, and I'll just keep it simple. I will do the debug here. I'll go step by step with you guys. So first, as you can see, we just open the browser. It's done over here. Browser get instance set up. Okay, but for this step, we're gonna open the Chrome, the target.com. Then after that, we're gonna locate that registry button and click on that. Okay, so we click that, and then we're gonna find that find the registry button and click that. Okay, perfect. Now my expected is gonna be this, and my actual title is gonna be actually the same. So it reads the title from the browser, compares that, everything's perfect. Then expected header is find registry. The actual gonna be taken from h1 element, find the registry is the same, and then the comparison goes well. The test case passed, and close the browser. So perfect test case. You can guys try and go ahead and do the same. Make sure it works. You obviously can use some other locators. Instead of this, you can use something using the class, or using even the CSS locator, similar that we have covered on the previous lessons. Thank you.